In this video, I will guide you how to use the latest WhatsApp unknown call protection feature in the 2026 version, which helps you stay safe from spam calls, scam attempts, and unwanted interruptions. First, make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp 2026 update from the Play Store or App Store. Keeping the app updated is important because this feature may not appear in older versions. Now, open WhatsApp on your phone. Once you are inside the app, tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy to open your privacy controls. Now, scroll down carefully until you find the option called Calls and tap on it. Here you will see the feature called Silence Unknown Callers. Simply toggle it on. When you enable this feature, WhatsApp will automatically silence calls from numbers that are not saved in your contacts. Your phone will not ring or show a full screen pop-up for those unknown calls, which helps you avoid distractions. However, don't worry, these calls are not lost. WhatsApp will still show them in your Calls tab, and you may also receive a notification so you can check later if it was important. This is a very useful feature in 2026 because spam and scam calls are increasing, and it gives you better control over your privacy and time. So that's how you can easily enable WhatsApp unknown call protection. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more WhatsApp updates, tips, and latest 2026 features.